Does it feel like 2024 came and went in the blink of an eye? You're not alone. Many of us felt like this year vanished faster than ever before. But why? Is time speeding up, or is something deeper happening? To understand why 2024 felt so fast, we need to dive into how our brains perceive time. As children, every new experience feels long because it's unfamiliar. But as adults, routines dominate our lives. The more predictable your days are, the faster they feel in hindsight. This is called the time compression effect. Here are 3 reasons why it felt so fast. Information overload. From AI tools reshaping industries to non-stop breaking news, we were bombarded with information like never before. Hyper-connected world. Social media and short-form content kept us glued to screens, creating an endless cycle of trends. Just when you got used to one, another took over. The post-pandemic catch-up. Many of us were still catching up on things we missed out on during the pandemic, packing our schedules tighter than ever. 2024 was a year of more productivity, more distractions, and more commitments. But here's the catch. Our brains process time based on meaningful events. When days blur together without standout moments, they shrink in our memory. So despite being busy, 2024 might have felt like a blur because it lacked pause moments. So how can we make 2025 feel less rushed? Here are 3 tips. Create more milestones. Plan memorable experiences. Big or small, these events anchor time in your mind. Embrace mindfulness. Be present. Notice the little things, like the sound of birds or the taste of coffee. Disconnect to reconnect. Step away from screens. Give your brain room to breathe and reflect. 2024 felt fast because it was full of change, growth, and distractions. But the speed of time isn't fixed. It's shaped by how we choose to live. So let's make 2025 a year to slow down, savor the moments, and make time feel rich again.